everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about ways of storing little small things that you might not have thought about. I'm talking about Zip-Loc bags. I'm not talking about the gallon size, food grade ones you get for, at Sam's Club, Walmart, the local grocery store, whatever. I'm talking about the odd size ones, the ones that you can actually collect some of them with some of the with some of the products you buy. The pieces come in, have these little Ziploc bags and stuff in them, anywhere from this size up to almost sandwich size. Save all those Ziploc bags. Sometimes you can find where you can buy a bunch of those really cheap on sale somewhere. Pick some up, because there are times where I've been working on stuff and I've had to use like the sandwich or the snack size Ziploc bags for something I only need something a third that size for, just to keep little pieces from getting lost. And if you're working on something that's really intricate in its mechanism and components, and you have little kids around, those Ziploc bags can save you a lot of time and frustration by just putting the pieces into those as you do it and sealing up. That way, if the little hands get up to where you're working at and start knocking stuff around, you don't wind up with all your little screws, gears, whatever, going down on the floor into the carpet or whatever and being hard to find again. Also, the Ziploc bags and stuff you can get can also be used for storing things in for long term as well. So they got 1,001 uses at least. So look into it, see if it's something you might need to add to your preps. All right. Remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, Ziploc bags, and other things. Why? This is why.